Hello friends, this easy cream of tomato soup recipe is a perfect flavorful fresh tomato soup ever. Watch the easy video tutorial and you will be craving a bowl of tomato soup paired with crispy croutons. So let's get started. Use unsalted butter to saute onion until softened and golden. It seems like a lot of onion, but it disappears into the soup, adding a balanced sweetness. Add ginger garlic paste to enhance the flavor and keep stirring for a while. Adding roughly chopped carrots and flour and stir until mixed well. It's time to add whole spices, bay leaf, peppercorn, cinnamon stick along with fresh tomatoes and mix until well incorporated. Adding whole spices will keep it more aromatic and rich in flavor. Now we're adding all spices like salt, white pepper and red chili powder. Stir in 4 cups of homemade chicken broth and bring it to a boil. Then reduce heat, cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Blend the soup in any blender until creamy. Strain and return soup to the pot. Season with sugar, black pepper, ketchup and vinegar and return to a simmer until thickened for about 5-7 minutes. Switch off the flame and add some fresh cream if you want. If not, otherwise serve it warm with some more fresh cream on top and crispy baked croutons. Hope you liked the recipe and video. Do share, like and subscribe to get more upcoming amazing recipes soon. Bye bye.